Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It is Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and it is installment number 3 of the unboxing from the brick and mortar store that I bought out all of the ephemera. I hope you guys are liking this. If you haven't seen the others, look on my playlist with all of my hauls, and you can see this and much, much more. If you are new here, welcome. I enjoy doing paper crafting, DIY projects, home improvement. I love thrifting for vintage treasures, and of course, traveling. So what I've been doing is this is the 3rd box of 5 boxes that I have to go through. So I'm just kind of sorting as I go in piles. So I have books, I have ephemera, I have ledger and, papers and things like that. I have small ephemera. I have envelopes and things like that. So just little stacks, and I'm putting them all together in hopes that I can make some bundles. I have 1 bundle made out of the 2 boxes that I've already gone through. So let's go ahead and get started. What's inside the box? We have a vintage sewing pattern. Let's just move this over here, and it might help me a little bit. This looks like it's full of photo corners. Wow. That's a lot of photo corners. Stamp hinges. That's what these are right here. Transparent, tasteless, and peelable. Interesting. So far, each bag, and I'm guessing that when she put these together, she kind of put them together as maybe mystery boxes, if you will. I'm not sure. She had talked about maybe donating them if she needed to. But so far, each one of them has had a bundle of cards in it. It's had some of the similar same things. So that's what I'm guessing. And I won't go through all of these, but pen pals. Oh, how cute. But there's just a variety of old and not so old, but still kind of vintage cards. So this is yet another bundle, lots of envelopes. So I'm not sure. I'm going to have to go through this and make sure that these all have envelopes if they were meant to. And then what don't, I'll put them in the envelope pile. We have a couple more of the mini packs of... Now, she had a shop, so I'm assuming these were ready for her to sell. Very old vintage Monopoly, and then some little mini flashcards. This, if I had to guess, is the same as what the other one was. These are all like saver books and such. Yes, 20 unfilled. That's what that meant in the last one. And she was selling this for $15. These are all of the stamp books. I like this one with the little top value elephant. But this is what the stamp would look like. So top value eagle stamps, merchants. Ooh, this one's cool. Plaid stamps. This one seems to have a few stamps in it. Just seeing if there's any others that are different from what we already saw. Doesn't look like it. All right. So there is that. These are fun. These will be fun. All right. Let's grab another stack. Oh, look. More wax beans. So see, that's what I'm saying. So far, each box has had some of these in there. Are these all wax beans? Yes. Oh, I'm so excited about those. So I got a nice little stack going here. Here's my stack from the first 3 boxes. Pretty fancy. All right. Whole thing of library cards, but these are different. I want to look at those. All right. More of these State of Ohio pieces. Ooh, this looks fun. I'm going to just grab a stack of other things that we can look at too. All right. All right, let's take a look at these, because these feel really heavy, and I think they might be stickers. Ah, they're shiny. I kind of like them. It's almost like, it's almost like photo paper, but they're not sticky. I'm assuming these were for library cards, but man, they're nice and thick. Those are cool. I've never seen anything like them. All right, vocabulary cards. Be a success. These must be like the history cards. Spasmodic. He cannot be relied upon because he is too spasmodic in doing his work. Is that where the word spaz came from? Oh, that's funny. These are great. These will be great in bundles so that everyone gets some. But that's cool. Very cool. All right. Let's see some books. We have Dennis the Menace coloring book. Nice. Oh, my goodness. Look at the mushies. Fun. We have Dennis the Menace. We have Making Sure of Arithmetic. Oh, this has got great colors in it. Lovely. And this is our language workbook. You know I am a sucker for these workbooks. I love them. All right, we're going to put these in with the books. Hang on, because I had all of my postcards in there too, because I had room. But now I don't have room. All right, let's see. We got another big thing of big stuff. And some little stuff. Oh, look. There's all the stamps. Those are those eagle stamps. Fun. We'll put that with the little small ephemera. And here we go. Mary Had a Little Lamb. What is this? This is just a really heavy piece of chipboard. That's cool. This is some random ephemera. Let's see what's in here. Oh, we have a Christmas piece, Speedy Embroidery, tally card. No. Yep, tally card. Oh, her little head came off. That's where it's supposed to go. We can fix that. We'll put it up there. An order blank from that Cleveland Musical Instrument Company. Do me hop, 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 so, la. Come let us do, learn to sing. Another tally card that's got some cover buttons. Those are fun. And then in here we have some ribbon, and this looks like it was a punch needle. Huh. Cool. Oh, here's another one. Yeah, these look like they might have been punch needles. Maybe. Well, I don't know. So, we got a little bit of variety here. Let's put this somewhere else. And I'm putting these empty bags on the floor for right now. So this is just Miscellaneous Ephemera. We'll stick that up there. That's Christmas. And just to keep track of my budget, the rest of this basket is to post on refrigerator. There we go. There's that. That over here with all the grid paper and such. Oh, wow. 1933 Atlas. Wow. Molly, dear, it's you I'm after. Unbelievable. That is gorgeous. And Sony Hits. Wow. Those are cool. those are going to go in here too. I'm running out of space in that box. Okay, let's take out another big stack. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. Oh, I forgot to show you this. Standard & Poor's Bond Guide. These are always fun. Oh, there's 2 of them. I love the way those look. Those are cool. All right. What is this? Kentucky Federation of Business and Professional Women's Club. From 1954, and this is the program that goes with it. That's cool. I'm not going to take that out. Marjorie Kay's Book for Beginners. You know I want to look at this. Let's check them out. Oh, these are cool. Oh, and you can smell the... I think that's what that smell is. But these were like like you would... I don't know. They're so thin. You would make copies so that you could have them for your classroom. So you'd make copies of all of them, and then 1940. Wow. That's cool. This one I feel like I could do something with, and we shall see. Let's just tape that back up. Pop it over here. Sorry, I am kind of putting things in their spots as I go because it just makes it easier. Piano. Nice. Oh, here's a class book from 1963. These are little kids. Oh, how cute. That's going to have to go in with my, for my bundles for my school days. Some vintage wrapping paper. Plain and Fancy. Plain and Fancy what? Must have been a movie. The Hershey Community Theater. That's cool. 1956. Nice. All right. Some more journal and accounting paper. Oh, there's a lot of that. An old Jack and Jill. 1956. I love these old Jack and Jills. Some paper dolls. We'll put that with the tiny ephemera. Student homework organizer. Look at that. This is from back in the day, isn't it? Neat. That with legit. Oh, this is a $6 book bundle. I see some French in there. I won't go through all that, but I will later. Let's see. There's some more little things and some more big things. And that will wrap up this book. Another accounting principles. This is cool paper. Very cool paper. Ooh, this is neat. This would be good if somebody was doing outer space or stars and planets and constellations. That's neat. And, oh, look at this. 1965. Autos. Norton Simon says, thumbs down, the world's biggest merger. Landon would probably like to look at this. I'm trying to find where the photos or the autos are. Probably in the middle, right? Look at those. Whoa, hubba hubba. One way to sell anything. I don't know who she is. I'm not seeing any cars. There's an airplane. Interesting. Well, the cover is really cool. Very cool. All right, that's a big one. Let's see. And then we have some small things. Did I get all? We have some florals. Some, oh, these are like oats, barley. I've had these before. These will probably go into my bundles. Atlantic City, the souvenir folders. Union Central, where's this? Cincinnati. Another tally book. And some more of these negatives. Those are really cool. All right, well, that rounded out that box. So we've only got 2 left to go. So let's see what we find inside. Friends, until next time, remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon. Cheers.